Hi, I'm Akko WTI.
I have found just the most perfect kitchen mats. And I'm not saying that because they're beautiful. I am saying that because of how well they perform. I wanted a kitchen mat that when I'm doing my dishes would absorb the water that falls. That is really something that bothers me. But look what happens. The water just absorbs into the mat and it does not leak through to the back whatsoever. I was so impressed by this feature, and this is what makes it so perfect. I even tested a glass of water, and you can see that the material on top is very water resistant as well. So that is just a really bonus feature. You can see it just stays on top of it. So if there was a lot of water, you could easily get it up as well. So it's just a perfect absorbent and waterproof mat. The backing is a really nice material. It is a non-skid rubber backing, so this rug does not move around for everyday use. And the top part is just a beautiful twill weave with a tan, gold, and cream colors with a gray border, but it also comes in many other colors too. This comes as a set of two, which is really perfect for a kitchen. One is 20 by 48 and the other is 20 by 32. I put the smaller one in front of my stove and it fit perfectly. I used the larger one underneath my double sink, and it is perfect size because it covers the gap between my sink and my dishwasher. Just been so impressed by the quality, the color, the performance of these rugs. I highly recommend if you need absorbent kitchen mats, these are definitely ones I recommend.
And that's my point of view.